Today, your wannabe blogger is headed to Blackwater Falls State Park. So we are at Blackwater Falls State Park today, and I was like, this is the state park, which is very.
Can we skip to the good part?
First thing first, we are going to check out the falls after which this state park is named. Never ever leave this walkway. That's how I survived. Trail to this fall is nice boardwalk from the trading post parking lot. It's about 200 steps or a quarter of a mile. Here it is, the famous Blackwater Falls. That was a very short hike, so I am gonna do two more hikes. Ilkala Trail, which leads to another beautiful waterfall, and another is Balanced Rock Trail. So this is my second car camping trip, and I wanted to come to this park first, but I was not able to find any campsites here. So I called the park and they told me that campsites are under renovation and won't be open for an entire year. But the campsites at Canaan Valley State Park are open, so I'm staying there on this trip. I didn't know about that state park, but it's very close from this park and looks lovely. I'm gonna explore that park tomorrow and we'll upload that vlog next. So if you want to check that out, just subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload that one. Let's go down there. I like the view of this fall better than Blackwater Falls because it looks very nice with the bridge above the falls. It was like very picturesque. Off to Balanced Rock. This state park does have a nice lodge, so if you don't like to camp and if you want to sleep in a room, you can book one of the rooms, and it's nice that they have restaurant and stuff. This is the Balanced Rock of Blackwater Falls State Park. Nice. I think I was a little lost on the way back to my car, but I think I have figured it out. Don't be like me, don't get lost. Found this beautiful lake and just taking some break here from hiking. It is nice. They have a boat launch, so you can come with your boat, or also I think they have kayak rental, so you can bring your own kayak, or you can rent it from here. They have this nice nature center right across from the lake if you want to learn more about nature and bears and stuff. Came for the last hike of this park. The parking here is very limited, but fortunately I found easily, and once you find parking here, then the trail is only 0.3 miles. But if you don't find parking, I think it's like you have to park further, and that parking area is 1 mile. Oh my God, look at these views. And so this is Blackwater Canyons, and it's just mind-blowing. I think this park should have been named Blackwater Canyons because Falls was nice, but this is just spectacular. There is a lovely town called Davis right outside this park, which has some nice breweries and restaurants with live music. So I'm gonna check it out, grab some food before I head back to my campsite.
In blue, West Virginia, population around 60.